Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the automatically enter safe driving function on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. In the navigation section, you can find the last option, the automatically enter safe driving. Automatically enter the safe driving mode from Map Home navigation tab. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next white circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.